Okay, pinadala ni Krisha's Kitchen, butter pecan. It's an ice cream. Nagpapawis na siya kasi tinanggalan namin sa ref, ha. Butter pecan ice cream. So, sa mga mahilig mag-ice cream dyan, meron tayong low-carb version ng ice cream, no? Particularly dito sa vlog ko kay Krisha's Kitchen. So, if you are craving, hindi ka naman strict LCIF, hindi ka naman carnivore, hindi ka naman animal focused, no? But if you are craving from time to time, you're craving for something sweet, not sugary, but something sweet, no? This is a good alternative para hindi kayo inuubo. O, ano mo? So, this is a good alternative, okay? So, butter pecan. So, low carb. Now, before I taste it, no, low carb siya. Chinek ko na, papakita ko dyan yung macros niya. I'm not sure lang kung gaano ka rami yung servings na itong isang can. Not sure if yung carbohydrates dyan, yung macros dyan na nakikita nyo, pertains to the entire can or certain amount. Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko sure. Hindi ko nakita. So, anyway, based on the macros, it's low carb. Okay? As per the price, it's 500 pesos basically. And again, just a reminder, if you are a member of a LCIF association, you get special discounts from Krisha's Kitchen. Okay, so tikman na natin. Actually, natikman ko na ito noon. And lahat ng mga tinitikman ko moving forward at the moment from Krisha's Kitchen are low carb goodies or lower carb goodies na basically gusto ko. Okay? Ibig sabihin, gusto ko yung lasa, gusto ko lahat, yung tekstura, etc. Okay? So, that being said, eto na. So, definitely, texture-wise, ice cream na ice cream. Nangingilo ako. Lamig. So, definitely, texture-wise, it's ice cream. And then, the lasa, butter pecan, para siyang vanilla, basically. So, meron siyang, I don't know kung ano yun nasa loob, parang pecan. Ngayon, na-realize ko. Pecan, no? Pecan yun, pecan. Kaya nga siya butter pecan. So, this one is good, no? Kung gusto niya ice cream, ako ang favorite ko talaga ube and cheese. Okay? But, ito, pwede mong itapat, no? Doon sa ube and cheese. Now, if you're interested to try it, then visit Krisha's Kitchen and then bili na. Don't forget, LCF Association member, get special discounts.